Welcome again to reading class!
Hello kids! It's reading time again with Teacher Mylene. Alright, so last time we learned many topics already. Let's check if what are they? Okay, so we learned how to read words with short middle A sound already. We also learned how to read words with short middle E sound. I hope you watch it! And previously, we learned how to read words with short middle I sound. Okay, so we are done with 3 topics already. This time, let's now proceed to our next topic, and that is how to read words with short middle O sound. Our objectives for today: I can read words with short middle O sound. I can identify the name of each picture. And of course, I can spell the name of each picture shown. Now let's begin. What is the sound of the letter O? Very good. Now follow after teacher. It's O. Again, O. Good job. Before we proceed on how to read words with short middle O sound, let's read first this Dolch sight words set number 2. Just follow after teacher. Is, are, has, of, to, it. Very good. Now, let's read the words. Just follow after teacher. B, O, X. Let's blend them all together. Box, box. It's a box. Great job. Next one. K, O, T. Cot, cot. It's a cot. That is a cot. Next word. T, O, P. Let's blend it all together. Top, top. It's a top. Do you play top? That's nice. Another word. Let's sound each letter together. T, O, T. Let's blend them all together. Tot, tot. And tot is another word for baby. Very good. Next one. S, O, N. Son, son. And that is a boy child. Very good. Another one. J, O, B. Job, job. And job means it's your work. Very good. Now let's read each word. Just follow after teacher. Box, cot, top, son, job, hot, mop, cob, fox. Good job, kids. You did a great job. Practice every day so you will learn how to read. That's all. See you again next time. Bye!